Transgender student athletes in Minnesota will now be able to play on the sports team of their preferred gender. The Minnesota State High School League made the decision yesterday at a public meeting. News 8's Brittany Schmidt joins us now with the details.
Lisa, in Minnesota, if a girl had the ability to play with the boys, she could do that if everyone agreed. However, boys could not do the same. Now the new policy will allow boys who self-identify as girls to play on a girls' team. Along with support comes opposition to the policy, but the main goal behind it is to provide equal opportunity to all student athletes.
A little bit of everything.
This is Casey Indra's first year as activities director for Winona Senior High School.
I schedule all the events, make sure the officials are set, make sure the buses are taken care of.
Along with all of those responsibilities, Indra has something new on his radar.
The hot topic has been the transgender policy that the State High School League passed.
The policy allows transgender athletes to play on the sports team they most comfortably identify with. For example, a boy who identifies himself as a girl can play on the girls' team.
The rule was created to be fair to every single kid.
But not everyone sees the policy in the same light.
If you were to put a young man, a transgender young man, on a girls' team, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of girls that think that's unfair.
I don't think that there should be any really difference. We're all differently built. We have different sizes in both sexes.
Mother of two, Falteisek says she would be upset if her child was denied something solely based on gender.
You want the child to have every opportunity possible. You want better for them than what you've had, and whenever the opportunity is denied them, it crushes you.
The policy is something new for Indra.
It's definitely going to be a learning process.
There are things that will need to be considered.
You have to look at the locker rooms, you have to look at the showers, you have to look at the bathrooms.
But when time comes, Indra says the administration will create a plan with all the students' best interest in mind.
There will be a lot of work there, but ultimately, that's what we're here for.
Before a transgender athlete is able to compete on their preferred gender's team, the parent or guardian will have to give a written statement to the school confirming the gender identity. The student will also have to submit a note from a healthcare professional pertaining to the student's gender identification.
Thank you, Brittany. Minnesota is the 33rd state to adopt a high school transgender athlete policy, which will begin the 2015-2016 school year.